Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a frozen McLaren screen and how to reboot it. So, very simple, and this doesn't matter what screen it's frozen on, but you can see this one's frozen. You're going to take this center McLaren button and you're going to hold it like so. There you can see it has now done a hard reboot. It is shut off and now started back up. And it should load as normal in just a moment here. So there you go. Now you can see everything works as you'd expect. Still a little slow, but it's now unfrozen and working as it should. Now you can see you can access all your climate control and navigation and everything like that. So that is how to hard reboot your McLaren screen. You simply hold down the center McLaren button for about 15 or 20 seconds and it will hard reboot and be working again. So hopefully you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and we'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, if you enjoyed this video, if you could do me a huge favor, click the like button down below, check out some of our other videos on the channel, and be sure to subscribe. It literally takes 1 second and it helps our channel out grow immensely. I actually like that one the best. The final one's the best.